Raksha Bandhan is also known as Rakhi. Raksha Bandhan every year. It falls on the last day of Sravana. This festival represents universal bond between brother and sister. This festival mostly celebrated in North India. Raksha Bandhan is the bond of brothers' love and sister sharing. On Raksha Bandhan, sister tied thread on her brother's hand. That thread were really auspicious. Raksha Bandhan is the symbol of protection or Raksha. Do you know facts behind this festival? Lord Krishna, while playing the kite, his finger cut off. Seeing this, Draupadi tore her sari and tied on Krishna's finger. In the return of this, Krishna promised to Draupadi that he will protect her in any circumstances. And he protected Draupadi during her Haran. Next beat of this festival, Rabindranath Tagore used this festival to maintain peace and harmony between Hindus and Muslim community. Hello friends, it's me Angel. Welcome back to my channel. Wish you happy Raksha Bandhan to all my brothers and sisters. Now it's time to make a easy, beautiful Rakhi. So let's get started. Bye friends, see you in the next video. If you like my video, do share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting me.